Okay, excuse me guys to express the love of my nails because finally after more than 7 years I have a full set of natural nails. These are my natural nails and I am beyond happy that finally I'm able to grow my nails long again as I used to have them when I was like a little girl, like from 10 years ago or something. Actually, after I got married, my nails began to break down and basically I had no nails. So far I'm so happy with the journey that I went through and the medication that I take for my nail and hair. Actually, it was for my hair, but it works pretty well for my nails. And as you can see, my nails, these are my natural nails. I can't stop loving them, so I really wanted to share this moment for you and with you. And yeah, I guess I need to make a video. So if you want me to make a video for how I grew my nails long and what I use, what I take, and all this stuff, please let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be so happy to do that. Sorry, it's my cat just like in my lap, so I am like beyond happy. Finally, welcome back, babies. Yay!